I promise I'm revealing how exactly I lost my soulmate in part 8 of my breakup story. 7 part अगर तुमने देखे नहीं है तो तुमको context समझ नहीं आएगा, so please go and watch that before. So the first roadblock happened when I wanted to get Mocha home. Of course, like every Indian parents, even my parents didn't want me to get a dog home, and I used to feel frustrated. तो मैं उसके पास जाकर उसको बोलती थी कि क्यों मेरे parents पे को allow नहीं करे यार, what is this? Surprisingly, he sided with them. I felt कि मेरी side लेना, मुझे support कर, it's you and me. The second roadblock happened in my life. Something happened which I can't share, जिससे मेरी और दीदी की बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ी लड़ाई हो गई. मैं उसको रोते रोते फोन करती थी एंड उससे मुझे काफी बार काउंसिल किया, बट वन डे ही जस्ट सेड मुझे मत बताया करना ये सब, मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे इतने स्ट्रेस में हूँ, तो तेरा स्ट्रेस सुनकर मैं और स्ट्रेस में हो जाता हूँ, सो प्लीज डोंट टेल मी दीस थिंग्स. अगेन ही मे हैव बीन राइट इन हिज प्लेस, बट उसका स्ट्रेस एंड मेरा स्ट्रेस optional. Things were really bad, and that year Dee and me separated our rooms for the first time in 24 years. I've just felt so alone in that process. The third roadblock was family. His family had objections to our relationship. I did try a lot from my side, you know. I used to send gifts over to his house. I used to wish them on their anniversary. I even used to call his home a lot and try कि वो मेरी personality को जाने, वो मुझे पसंद करे. But the cultural, societal, mental differences were so high that I don't think I even stood a chance. That was actually one of the biggest reasons of our breakup. And the final reason was finance. So I am someone who believes in spending khul ke to earn khul ke. My main focus is not on reducing my spending and saving more, but more on the side of earning more so that I can support my lifestyle. And he was the exact opposite. He believed in living minimally. So जब मुझे मेरे घर का इंटीरियर करवाना था या फिर मुझे मेरे बर्थडे पे एक 5-star होटल में स्टे करना था, he started having objections to it. He started making fun of me and basically resisting my lifestyle choices. And I felt like, why are you being this way? तेरी भी तो lifestyle similar है. I mean, for God's sakes, you gifted me AirPods and Apple Watch, and we stayed in a 5-star for 10 days. And उसका जो response था, that shocked me. He said, "बेबो, मैं जो गुड़गांव में था ना, मैंने थोड़ा ओवर कर दिया था, because reality में मैं ऐसा हूँ ही नहीं." I was stunned. It felt worse than being cheated on. It felt like a heartbreak. But mind में था कि शादी तो इसी से करनी है. So I started loving the new version of him. And the US-India time difference did not help at all. इसको beat करने के लिए I did offer to come to the US. In fact, even move to the US. But there was one thing that was stopping me. I just wanted him to say one thing. I want you here. I don't want to be 10,000 miles apart. But he never said that. He always said, तुझे आना है तो तू आ. You are coming because you want to, not because I called you. He basically just didn't want to take the blame in case things went wrong. He was actually ready to do a 5-6 साल का long distance, but sadly I was not. ये सारी चीजें धीरे धीरे बहुत पाइल अप करने लग गई, but I still really loved him. But I just told myself कि बहुत स्ट्रेस में है, things will ease up in a while, long distance में ऐसा होता रहता है, कोई बात नहीं. But then I ended up making the biggest mistake of my life. Go to part 9.